Daddy,
and
Kittens! Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the prettiest after all?
ha 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 ha! You are the pretty, but the prettiest is your mommy.
If my mommy is so pretty, I have to give mommy a magic hand mirror.
Hi! Today we'll make hand mirror. To make the hand mirror, we need beads, mirror, sticky tape, clay, scissors. Don't forget, you cannot use the scissors if your parents are not around. And ice pop stick. Let's do it!
Three colors, yellow, red, and blue. Let's mix. Yellow and red make orange. Yellow and blue make green. Red and blue make purple. Red and white make pink. White and black make gray. Red and green make brown. Sponsored by IQ English.